Mieri 15 iria tigarite niguo kithurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027 gitabanio. Komishoni ya ithurano mibaka IEBC yugite irabatara ciringi bilioni 74 niguo gutabania kithurano kiu kiri na uma na waragania.
The commission respectfully appeals to the National Assembly to consider and recommend the additional budget allocation of Kenya shillings 33.4 billion for successful conduct of the 2027 general elections.
Makiaria mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya kiboto na maundu megie watho, IEBC irite kamiti ino ati mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2026-2027 magairo ciringi bilioni 41 magitigwo na ihoro ria ciringi bilioni 33 undu uria waya kwenyenya mibango ya kithurano mwaka twerekeire.
There is nothing that is double allocation because an election like ballot paper, yes, we need is a critical electoral material, but other things like the logistics, indelible inks, the clerks, all these services support the presence of that ballot paper.
Abunge makioria ciuria cia gitumi gia kithurano kiu ugukorwo na goro ugukira ithurano cia nabanika. IEBC eteteire kiuga ni kumana na wandikithia wa aikia akura kimumu mutaratara uria utanyitwo kwambiriria muthiaini wa mwaka uyu kana kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka wa 2027 bamwe na mabatara mangi mahinahi.
The basics which we must have if we are to conduct a fair and free election in 2027. What are those irreducible basics that we must have?
So our request is that this budget will be very important to help us to reach out to the Kenyans in diaspora.
Komishoni ino itanyitwo gutabania ithurano ithatu nini kiumia-ini giki iria ni bamwe na giturwa kia ubunge kia Emurua Wadikir kiria giatigirwo utheri ni Johana Ng'eno. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndebunge-ini ya bururi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Njĩtagwo Mercy Wandia wa Mũrĩithi.